is a Troy-built Super Bronco riding lawnmower control arm and ball joint problem. The problem is right here. Let's go ahead and fix it. First thing you need to do is to get a marker, mark it right here, like that, and then get a PB blaster spread over here, like that, and right here. And here's my replacement part over here. When you buy the part, there are different sizes. For example, on this one, what I'm working right now, the 3/8 thread will not work on this one. So on this one, it doesn't say what's the thread size or number. It doesn't say on this one, but this is the number I'm using over here, and it should fit perfectly. The price on that, it is $15.49. To do this job, you will need 3 different sizes of tool. On the replacement part, they give you some tool number. They will give you a 1/2 inch and 9/16 wrench, but it's not all you need. You need 3 of them because you need different size over here, and then another one over here, which that including that, and then there's another different size for the nut over here. So over here on top right here, you can use 9/16 or 14 millimeter. I'm going to use 14 millimeter right now, which that's the same thing. So I'm going to put 14 mil right there. And then in the bottom right here, you can use a 1/2 inch or 13 millimeter. I'm going to use 1/2 inch right here. And then you can do this like that. Wow, I was not expecting this hard. So now I have to use the bigger one, the 14 on the top right here. Let's wiggle in. That's what she says. Wiggle in. It's easy. Now the other one, but let's see. Oh my God, he's still hard. Finally, it's out. And don't forget to save this nut over here because the new one does not come with one. Now let's start with this one. On this one over here, on the nut over here, you can use the 11/16 or the 17 millimeter. And on this over here, you can use the 1/2 inch or the 13 millimeter. In this case, I'm going to do this one right now. Let's see if it goes that way. Nope, it goes this way. Okay, make sure it goes that way. Alright, like this. And then I'm going to use whatever is a 1/2 inch or 13 millimeter. And this one's going to come this way, and the other one's going that way. Oh, wow. That was loose. I cannot believe this. That was easy peasy. Okay, after you clean up this one very good, make sure that nut over there it did move, and then use some thread locker over here. You should use red, but in my case I don't have a red one. It's because this one it have a lot of movement. It needs to lock in, so it needs the red one, but I don't have one, so this is the only option. And now go ahead put you new replacement in there. Go in there slowly like that. It's so soft. All right, one more tune. Nope. Let's see. No, won't go no more. Let's do it like this. All right, let's see like that. It should do it. Now tighten down, or maybe just loosen it up a little more. and then do one more time. There you go, that should do it. Now put it there like that. If it's not straight enough, just keep going. But before that, do this snap like this, that way you can adjust it back and forth like that. Make sure it's in. It's good. Just in case this goes a little bit this way. Alright, now. Alright, it looks good. And then put your 9/16 over here, whatever the other option is. Try not to move this one, keep it steady, keep it straight, and then get your centimeter. Perfect, it's looking good already. Alright, now after this, slide up here. This one is already got thread lock on there, it's a red one. So now put your knot back on here. Don't lose anything if there's other washer or whatever on there. Oh, now it's keep spinning. Now I'm gonna put the 13 right here. And then I'm with my 14 over here because it's still tight. Can't make up their mind. Alright. Whew. That was hard. Now it's perfectly on there. That's good. Now do the same process on the other side as well, except you cut this thread over here or measure it that way. That's how you do it on our side. As you can see on my over here, you can set a white mark over there. It stayed at the same spot over there. That means I didn't move any thread. If I did maybe one thread or maybe not at all. Because to do an alignment on these little guys, it's very hard because you have to unthread this and then tune this one more in or out and then do it again and make sure the tire is straight. It is hard to do it, but I'm trying to keep the closest I can. That way I'm not going to lose any speed or make any noise. I'm going to give you a tip. If you ever think about doing alignment on this one, you can, but you have to have the same size of tire, same air pressure. What you want to do is to measure from the edge right here over here. It's the same distance, and in the back too. Because if you got one less number here than the back, then tune it up more like this. Or opposite, that means you gotta do it more like this, and then adjust that thing over there, which is very paining about. It can take you a whole day to do that, but in my case, I'm just going to do close as I can. Now it's good as new. You can't do much on this one if there is play on this one, but if you try moving like this, if your wheel bearing it's messed up or one of your hub nut it's loose. The reason this is moving so much over here like that is because there is a missing piece over here, like between this washer, like outside here. Now it's missing, it's not there. You can see on this side over here, see that washer back there, and there's another piece out here on the outside, and the outside it was missing, so that's why the wheel it was too much play on that one. And then over here in the inside, this one over here is supposed to be like on the outside of the rim. It's supposed to be like that, but it's wore out. It's supposed to look like that. And then the outside here is supposed to be look like this, which is still there, but it's very wore out, it's very thin, so I have to order another one. And this one too, it's very already broken apart, so it's not good anymore. That's why the wheel it was like flying around without the whole assembly moving around. It's just the wheel like hanging like this. Okay, now the wheel is back on there. It's got less play right now. It's very little play over there. It's because I did put another washer behind the big one right here, so now there is less play. That is just a temporary fix right now. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful and you got some idea how to do that job. And thank you for subscribing, sharing and liking my video. I really do appreciate all that. And don't forget to check out my other video on this side over here. Should be another related video over here or something else. That being said guys, thank you again. Until next video, bye for now.